how to fix Roblox voice chat not showing up. So this process takes a phone and a PC to complete. So what you want to do is load up Roblox on your phone here and just sign into your account. So I'm just going to continue here. All right, and first you want to sign into your account on phone. Once you have done this, you will click on more in the bottom right corner, and then you want to go into the settings here. So click on settings and you want to go into account info. And from the account info tab, you want to verify your email address and add a phone number. So either verify your email address or phone number here. So you click on the pencil icon or add email or add phone, and you want to verify either of those. Also, make sure you verify your birthday here at the bottom by providing your ID. So you need to verify your birthday as well. So once you have done this, what you want to do is go into your PC or on your PC. So here I'm just going to switch over to PC. Again, I'm signed into the same account. So you want to click on the gear icon in the top right, go into settings, and right here, what we're going to do is go into privacy and content restrictions and go into communication. Now, if you have verified your age, email, phone, then you will see voice chat and you just want to toggle this on. I consent, enable, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.